To make an Instagram logo, press Shift A from keyboard to add a cube. Scale it to make flat. I am pressing 1 to switch side view, 3 to switch front view and 7 to switch top view. Make 2 copies of the same by pressing Shift D. Scale down the second one so that we can boolean the first one. Go to Modifier tab and select Boolean object, then Apply. In edit mode, select all outer corners and Ctrl B to bevel them and set 7 segments. Now select all inner corners and Ctrl B to bevel them, keep 7 segments. Move the object to the center and scale it. Copy the same and scale it again. Now bevel the fast cube by following the same way. Open a new window by dragging from the top right corner, open shader editor and switch to rendered viewport. Now select the Instagram symbol and apply the emission material. Now for the color, add texture coordinate node, then add separate XYZ node. Add color ramp to create a beautiful texture. Now combine the nodes first. We also need a mapping node to experiment with the rotation. Now fill the ramp blue at the end and yellow at the beginning. Now change x-axis rotation in mapping until the blue goes up. Take 2 another colors and make them purple and red. Now reduce roughness to 0 and increase the metallic value close to 0.5. Add bevel modifier. Experiment with the settings until you are satisfied. Add a cylinder to make a dot on the logo. Apply the same emission material on it. After some tweaks and adjustments, I added animations on it and here is the final result. For any suggestion or advice, please let me know. Thanks for watching.